Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I make cashew milk. This milk is super creamy and it's super good, super delicious, and this recipe is super easy to make, so let's get right to it. For this cashew milk recipe, I'm going to be using filtered water, 1 cup of raw cashews, 5 pitted MEDJOOL dates, pink Himalayan salt. Alright, so let's get started. So in a bowl, I'm going to add my cup of cashews, and then I'm going to add about 2 cups of filtered water, just enough to soak up all the dates. So I'm going to leave these soaking overnight, and I'm just going to cover them like this, and I'm just going to leave it out overnight. If it's too hot where you live, I recommend putting them in the fridge, but it's pretty cool where I live right now, so I'm just going to leave them out. So I've been letting my cashews soak overnight, and here they are. They've absorbed a lot of water. They're nice and fat now. Alright, so now I'm just going to put it all inside the blender. Now I'm going to add a pinch of Himalayan salt. And it's not going to be salty. The only thing the salt does is just brings out the flavors. So now I'm going to pop the lid, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that up. So as you can see, it is really creamy, so we're gonna be adding more water to that. So I'm gonna add way more water to that. It depends how thick you want it. The thicker you want it, the less water you add. But I'm gonna be adding a lot of water because it's really thick. So I'm gonna thin it out a lot more. Alright. Just gonna blend a little. Alright, here we go. Here's the milk. So now I want my milk to be really smooth. So I'm going to sift the milk through my nut milk bag.
Yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to film for Mama.
No, I want to do it.
I made a big mess. It's cashew milk. Not your favorite. Here's my cashew milk. And as you can see, it's pretty creamy. And it's really good. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, you guys. This is what 1 cup of cashews made. It made this much. I don't know how much is that, but it made that much. Most nut milk brands are filled with sugar, natural flavors, several gums, and synthetic vitamins. And if the nut milk you're buying is not organic, it is likely tainted with pesticides. So one thing that many people overlook in almond milk is all the sugar added. Sometimes it's the second ingredient. Eating too much sugar is easy to do because it is in almost every processed food, which leads to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Sugar's detrimental effects can take years to surface, and there's really no reason to add processed sugar to your milk. And we all could use a little less sugar in our lives. Alright Alright you guys, and there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys make this cashew milk. And if you guys do, please share it with me. I would love to see it on my social medias. You can share it with me on my Facebook or my Instagram. That will be linked down below. And if you guys are watching this video, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification button. That way it lets you know when I post another video, and I will be posting another video next week. So I will see you guys next week. Bye. Oh my god, there's a deer in my backyard. Let me show you guys. It's okay. It's okay. I want to try to give it some food. Hey, look, I have food. I have food. Do you want it? Here you go. Look it. I have food. You want it? You want some food? Here you go. Hey, look it. I wonder if I throw food, if she'll run away. Look. Food. Oh no, she didn't run away. No.